Hi and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to find the rank of a matrix in Python. In linear algebra, the rank of a matrix is the dimensions of the vector space spanned by its columns or rows. Using the NumPy library, we can easily find the rank of a matrix using the method matrix_rank. Let's now go to practice. First, we need to import the NumPy library. As an example, we are going to create a 3x3 matrix. We can find the rank of this matrix using the method matrix_rank, which is a linear algebra method from the NumPy library. From the output, we can see that the rank of this matrix is 2. This means that there are 2 linearly independent column vectors in this matrix. With this, we finished the video, where you learned how to find the rank of a matrix in Python. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope that was helpful.